Okay, so this is 3 days later. So this is what my twist looked like 3 days later. I was gonna keep it in for 2 to 3 weeks, but kind of find out I had to work tomorrow. So, um, yeah, I'm gonna do the twist out. So I wasn't gonna leave y'all hanging. This is the twist out. If y'all want to see how I got these twists and step-by-step tutorial on how I do my two-strand twist, check out the previous video. So this is the twist out part. Let me turn this heat off. So this is the twist out. Shout out to beautiful lady 0705 again on requesting this video. So this is the second part to it. And I think I'm going to do the, so I think in this video I'm going to do the 15 facts about me. I don't know why I just don't want to make it a separate video, but I feel like I'm going to need something to talk about while I'm showing y'all this, because this is really nothing. It's just me taking out the twist. So let me see if I can put this somewhere where I can just look down at it. Yep, right here. And just take out the twist. So the first question, not questions, 15 facts about me. So the first fact, well, first of all, this is like, I don't know if this one is going to be the same results as the first twist out, only because I'm taking it out sooner and it feel like it's still kind of wet for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know. I did do a 15-mile walk yesterday. That could have something to do with it being wet. But this is the first twist. No. It's just not as stribbled. It's like straight. So the first fact about me is I am an only child on both sides. My mom and my dad never had any more children. So I'm the only child. And nobody really don't believe that I'm the only child on both sides. They're like, your dad didn't even have any more kids? So, yeah, I'm definitely an only child. And I suffer from only child syndrome. So, number 2 fact about me. I burned my feet as a child. Hot grease spilled on my feet when I was 7 years old. I leaned on the counter. And the grease spilled on me, on my foot. Third fact about me. I broke my tooth as a child. My cousin was chasing me, playing around, and I ran in the tub to hide from him, and I hit my tooth on the tub. So I did chip my tooth as a child. Number 4 is I'm obsessed with siblings. Since I don't have any siblings and I'm the only child, I'm obsessed with people that have brothers and sisters, mainly sisters, and when they have a tight bond, when they have a really good sister sibling relationship, I'm obsessed with it. And I'm obsessed with like multiples, like twins and triplets and quadruplets, all that stuff. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with watching those kind of shows and everything. So I think it's because I'm the only child. And well, all I'm doing is just taking out each twist, y'all. I'm just taking it out. It's easier taking these out than those other ones. I had a lot the last time. So this side is almost done. Number 5 fact about me. I want 6 kids or more. 6 kids or more, only all girls. Just all girls. I mean, if I'm blessed with boys, of course, I would love my kids, but I want all girls. And I want my first kids to be twins. I always said that. I always wanted twins. I think that was another fact. Is the twins. Well, I want 6 kids, all girls, and I want my first kids to be twins. I'll be happy if I had triplets, quadruplets, quintuplets, all that good stuff. And I used to want 10 kids. When I was little, I used to say I want 10 kids. If I'm blessed with 10 kids, more power to me. But I am 37, y'all. So I should have started off with saying I'm 37. I'm a Pisces, to get that out the way. But y'all know that. Number 6, I did homeschooling. My last year of high school, I did homeschooling, online schooling, because I didn't like to get up in the morning to go to school. Number 7, I never went on prom. I didn't go on my prom. I kind of regret that. And everybody, when I tell them that, they can't believe it because I'm so much into fashion. And they're like, you didn't go on prom? They can't believe it. But it's like I was not into high school. I just didn't want to be there. It's sad, but I really didn't want to be there. 8, I have a fear of characters, clowns, mascots. Anybody that dressed in a costume, I am terrified. Terrified. 9 is I can do a split. I try to retire from splits from now, but when I'm drunk and somebody hype me up good enough, I'll still do a split. Number 10 is I love to travel. Y'all already know that. I'm a traveler. Um, Number 11, I'm really shy until I get to meet you. All my friends will say I'm not shy, but I'm shy. Um, what's the next one? I don't know if I'm skipping or what, y'all. 12 fact about me is I lost my virginity at 21. Yes, I was a late bloomer. I didn't lose my virginity until 21 years old. Number 13, I love cats. Y'all know that. I have um 5 cats. Well, yeah, 5 cats. I was gonna say well, cause 4, and then it's a cat that we take care outside, but she's still our cat. So 5 cats. What else? What else? Number 14. I love miniature items. Anything that's really small, I just go crazy off on. Let me see. Anything that's little, like something like this, whether it's items or people. I love little people. I love little items. I just love little stuff. And number 15, I never broke any bones. Knock on wood. Thank God I never broke any bones in my life. So I never had a broken bone. And that is 15 facts about me. I hope I didn't miss any. All right, so this side is out. Next, speaking of little people, I was just heartbroken, devastated to hear that Miss Minnie from Little Women of Atlanta, she died the other day. She was in a, first they said that it was a hit and run, that she was driving and someone hit her, but now they're saying she lost control of her vehicle. But it's just so sad because I was crying and everything. Like, I really love her. I think she's the best one on the show. Her and Miss Juicy. I just love her style, because me and her have a similar fashion sense. She's really close with her mom, like I am with mine. Like her mom is really close, so I know I know her mom is really going through it. So I pray for her mom and her family, because I know her mom is going through it. I don't know how season 6 is going to be. I really want to see how season 6 is going to turn out, because I know it's not going to be the same without her. Yeah, she is just the best one to me. I just love Miss Minnie. I love the way she dressed. Me and her have a similar fashion sense, like I said. She's pretty. It's just sad. And the crazy thing about it is last year, Miss Juicy, she was hit by 2 tractor trailers, she said. Like 2 trucks hit her. And I don't think she was driving. I think she was crossing the street or something. No, she was driving. She said that she was trying to turn and they were trying to turn before her. And they one hit her and then the next one hit her and kept going. Yep. So that's crazy. But it's just so sad. I did not believe it. I had to look. I had to go to every site to see if that really was true about Miss Minnie. I just did not believe it. That's crazy. It's like, I don't like to say a year is like the worst year, but I had like worse years. Like 1 year, it was just so many deaths back to back. I remember like yesterday, and I just kept on saying it's the worst year ever. And I believe that was 2009. 2009 was like the worst year ever for me. It was like too many people passing that I love truly, dearly, back to back. Okay, we got one more on this side. As you can see, I think this side turned out better. I did use my bonnet this time, y'all. I put my bonnet on every night. And I'm only taking it out because I have to work tomorrow. So if I go to work tomorrow, I'm not going to be able to have time. I could if I would have got up real early to do the, because I don't have a set time I have to be there, but I could have did it tomorrow and then do the video, but I know me, I wouldn't feel like it. So I'd rather do it now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it in a ponytail. But I'm going to, this is how I twist it out. I don't comb it or anything. I like my part on the side, y'all know. So I part it. Got it parted. So y'all pray for Miss Minnie, mom, her family, because I mean, I just couldn't imagine. I know her mom was going through it. Such a tragedy. Okay, here we go. So I poured it like that, and I just get my fingers going. Yeah, the last time I did it, I had it in for 3 weeks. The twist. So the curls came out better, but still looks good, y'all. And then I just keep on going. I just keep on putting my fingers through it. And then I get some pieces and I just spread them out. Some I don't spread all of them out. You know, and you just finger it. You don't. Some people comb theirs through or brush it through, but I don't like to do that. I want my curls as curly as possible, so I don't want to comb them out. Now, if you want that look, like that wavy probably look, and comb it through like that, you probably could do that. But y'all see how my part just disappears? It just disappears. But this is basically how it looked. The other time when I did it, it did look much better because I had it in longer. And this is still wet, y'all. But I am going to spray my holding spray. But I'm going to put this in a ponytail as soon as I'm done this video because I'm not going anywhere today. This is my Hold and Shine. So, and you want to get the back good. And be mindful because I do this all the time. Like if I'm sitting somewhere, I'll put my head back and then get the back of your hair be so flat. All this be like poofed up and the back be flat. So be mindful when you're sitting down and stuff to poof your hair back out. Like just finger it out. Leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all watch Little Women of Atlanta, LA. Because the first one was the LA one. Then it was the Atlanta one. Then I think it's a Texas one too. I only watch I really only watch the Atlanta one now. Every now and again I watch the LA one. But I think the Atlanta one is the best one. So, yeah, everybody giving their condolences. Everyone from the show. You know, the Tiny Twins. They were best friends with Miss Minnie. She was actually the godparents of Andrea's children, one of the Tiny Twins. So it's so sad. I mean, it's sad. You know when you watch shows and stuff, or you really like someone and you just feel like your friends or family, it's just sad. Like YouTubers I watched, like one YouTuber when I found out she passed away, like I was just crying like it was somebody that was in my family. Like I'm very emotional anyway. I'm very sensitive. So when stuff like that happens, it like really hits me. Because I mean, I just have empathy. Now watch. This is that. I'm going to say and watch like it's going to be like something totally different. But this is the back of it. I don't know if I poofed it out enough, but I think that should be enough. I'm like, then watch. Like I was about to do something so drastic. I know y'all like, we watching. But that's the back. But bouncy. Oh, I want to hit my lip gloss. Don't y'all hate when y'all hear hit y'all lip gloss? And that's how I look. So this is the twist out. It's not as good as the other one because I did keep it in longer. But this is how it looks. And when I did my walk, I went out with my twist like that. I just had my twist out and I walked. I wasn't sweating like that. I don't know why. Well, maybe I was sweating, didn't know it. Maybe my hair was sweating and not my face. This is how it looks. Now this is my twist out, y'all. So that's basically what I do. But I usually keep it a much longer. Y'all know that, right? I mean, there's times where it's though I just wet it and go and just do it like that. It's different each time, but this is how I do it. Y'all saw the step by step. If y'all didn't, go to that video. It is titled 2-strand twist out. 2-strand twist out routine. And then if y'all want to go to the previous video before that, that is get ready with me. And that's what started this whole these videos. Cause I had my hair that twist out, so y'all can judge and see which twist out y'all like the best. But they both work for me. The only thing is I did use too much product. It's like greasy. I probably used too much Jamaican oil too. That weighs it down. The oil does weigh it down, but I like my hair nice and oily and moisturized. So the oil weighs it down. So if you wanted more of a bouncy, poofy look, the oil is going to weigh it down. Especially this side, I used a lot of oil because this is the side that I showed y'all how to do it. So I used a lot of oil on this side. And then I did go back and put more oil afterwards. So I do get heavy-handed on a product. So if you're not heavy-handed like me, yours might come out better. But I do that because I thought I was going to have it in for like 3 weeks or so. So I put as much and then I go days later and put more. But that's not the case. This is 3 days later, and I really didn't need that much oil, but you can never have enough. So all I gotta do is just massage it in, and I'm just gonna put this in a ponytail. So if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I do my twist out. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye.